Hey, friend, let's talk about something that could totally flip your world upside down in the best possible way. What would happen if for 48 hours you changed everything you said to yourself? It's not some magic trick or motivational hype session. This is about real, practical shifts you can make starting with your own words. Ready? Let's dig into some powerful ideas and easy to grab examples to see what's possible. First off, have you ever noticed how easy it is to doubt yourself, but how hard it feels to actually believe? People tend to rehearse all the things that went wrong, so much that success feels like another language. Maya Angelou once said, if you're always trying to be normal, you'll never know how amazing you can be. What would happen if instead of talking about your failures, you started declaring your wins, even before you see them? Think about this for a second. If your words are like seeds, what kind of garden are you planting? If you keep saying, I'm tired, I'm broke, I'm stuck, isn't it just like planting weeds instead of flowers? There's research that says that self affirmations can actually decrease stress and improve performance. So why not start saying, I'm transforming, even if you don't fully feel it yet? Just like a seed needs watering before it grows, your words need repeating before you start seeing changes. As Lao Tzu says, watch your thoughts, they become your words. Watch your words, they become your actions. And what about your identity? Too many of us try to fix our lives with a bunch of strategies, but never deal with who we really believe we are. If you keep telling yourself you're a victim, what kind of life are you building? Oprah always says that you become what you believe. Isn't it time to believe that you're the hero of your own story and not just some side character? Imagine waking up and instead of checking off your to-do list, you remind yourself who you really are, the person who's chosen, equipped, and powerful. How amazing is that? People who believe in their identity move differently. Did you know that positive self-talk has been proven to boost confidence and change your behavior over time? Let's pause and ask, do you want your words to reflect your current reality or to shape your future? Why keep describing how hard things are when you can start describing how worthy you are? Thomas Edison once said, our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is to always try one more time. Isn't speaking from possibility instead of pain is just giving yourself one more time? Why do we often let our circumstances dictate our words? Circumstances come and go, but your words can set a whole new direction. What if you keep saying, I'm ready, I am prepared, I am walking in favor, even though it may feel like the opposite is true? You have power over your mind. Realize this and you'll find strength. Let's think about talking from the end, not the struggle. Why rehearse the resistance when you could rehearse the results? Olympic athletes visualize winning even when everyone doubts them. For example, research from the Cleveland Clinic shows that mental imagery can actually increase muscle strength. Remember, words are magnetic. They pull things closer to your reality. When you say, nothing good ever happens to me, aren't you just pulling more of that into your life? Instead, try, I attract good things and opportunities find me. There's an old proverb, as a man thinking in his heart, so is he. Don't your words show what's in your heart? Ever notice how some people seem to always end up where they want to be? It's not just luck, it's language. They don't say, maybe one day. They say, I'm already walking in my assignment. Muhammad Ali said, I am the greatest. He said it even before he was. Do your words match what you want to become? Tell your story like the ending is already written in your favor. That's vision in action. As Wayne Dyer wisely stated, change the way you look at things and the way you look at things change. How about making affirmations and activation? It's not just a feel-good quote in the mirror. It's a power tool. Research shows that people who practice affirmations not only achieve more, but feel more in control of their lives. The words you speak becomes the house you live in. Speak only what matches where you're going, not where you've been. Serena Williams once said, I am lucky that whatever fear I have inside of me, my desire to win is always stronger. What would happen if your desire for growth drowned out the old doubts? Don't confuse activity for identity. You're not valuable because of what you do, but because of who you are. Your value is built in. Don't hustle for worth. You've already got it. Start using your mouth as a paintbrush, not a mirror. I want you to create a new scene instead of reflecting what's already there. If you keep saying, I always, followed by your worst fear, why not switch to your best vision? As Mahatma Gandhi said, your beliefs become your thoughts become your words, and your words become your actions. Last, remember that your voice is your vehicle. It's time to drive your life where you want it to go. Shift gears by shifting your language. Your world is waiting, isn't it? All it's waiting for is the words you say. So here's the challenge. Will you try just 2 days? Your words can change your world. Are you ready to speak yours into existence? As Henry Ford once said, whether you think you can or can't, you are right.